The big picture of this winter storm that we will be receiving overnight tonight into Saturday starts all the way from Montana, goes all the way down here, all the way off towards the east past Chicago, 1,500 miles. Here in this state, we have a winter weather advisory, which starts Friday afternoon, goes through Saturday. Can be expecting 1 to 3 inches of snowfall all the way through Saturday, blowing snow off into parts of northeast Nebraska to start, and ice totals up to 1/10 of an inch. That's going to be right here along I-80. Any travel plans Friday night into Saturday morning are not advised, as roadways will be slippery, and all of the snow that we will be seeing, especially off towards northeast Nebraska, will be blowing snow, so blizzard conditions are expected. This morning, dew points in the upper teens, lower 20s. Temperatures right there here in O'Neill and Norfolk, just a few degrees. We need that temperature and dew point close together for some snow to make it to the ground and accumulate. Well, this morning we are starting to see some of those, the first round of some snow showers. And I looked at some NDOT cams. The snow right here is starting to accumulate in parts of O'Neill and east. Valentine, they did have a little bit of accumulation, and that is all going to be moving towards the east. Could be seeing a few flying snow flurries this morning for that Husker game. Well, the Husker game, bundle up. It's going to be windy. It's going to be cold. And then by the evening time, if you have any plans after the game, well, that's when we're actually going to start to see some freezing drizzle. That's going to be that pink right here. Some sleet. Notice some rain all the way down here towards the south. Blowing snow off towards northeast Nebraska. So this is going to be the start of the mess as we head into the overnight hours into early Saturday morning, as early as 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. That's when we're going to start to see the main transition period. Notice wet, heavy snow. That's going to be coming down pretty fast, pretty damp, and that could lessen some snow totals. It could increase some snow totals, as that is going to be some thicker snow once that rain starts to transition into that snow. But still, some dry, fluffy, blowing snow into northeast Nebraska. So this is going to be the main period to watch for Saturday early morning, as that ice is going to start to accumulate on I-80. Now we still will deal with some heavy wet snow Saturday morning. All of us going to be waking up to near 7 a.m. Rain still in southeast Nebraska, still a little bit of sleet. But now this dry, fluffy snow is actually going to take over the second half of Saturday afternoon. That's going to be that blowing lighter snow, and it's going to try to accumulate a little less quicker, but over time it will start to accumulate a little more. Saturday afternoon, expect some light snow showers, and then that will all look to be out by about Saturday night, 9 to 10 p.m. Ice accumulation, any travel plans Friday night into Saturday morning will not be advised. Look at this. Could have some ice accumulations up to 1/10 of an inch. And the further west you go along I-80, could be a little more. So definitely some slick spots Saturday morning. Snow potential looks like this, where there's winter storm warnings in parts of Iowa. That's going to be 4 to 6+ inches in parts of northeast Nebraska. Lincoln was the last county to get put within that winter weather advisory. So right on the edge of 1 to 2 to 3 inches, and then some 2 to 4 inch range further north. So Lincoln, right on the edge of that 1 to 3. And then the further southwest you go, where that rain starts, drier air, that will play a factor. So all depends where the rain sets up and how long that rain will chill there overnight tonight into Saturday morning. Winds will also be a factor. Here's the bulk of when all of that is going to be happening. Saturday afternoon, winds out of the northwest, dry air. This will be blowing in dry air. It's going to intrude on our snow potential, 45 miles per hour. Expect blizzard conditions Saturday afternoon. This morning, winds are starting to pick up out of the southeast, 15 to 20. It's going to be cold across the state, just a degree or two above freezing. And then tonight, we'll start that mess. Expect freezing drizzle, rain, light snow flurries. And then Saturday morning, we will be seeing freezing rain turning over to wet, heavy snow. And then Saturday afternoon, some light snow showers before another chance on Monday.